Preacher Online.
Have you ever stopped to consider just how powerful your words really are? Each day you speak thousands of words at home, at school, at work, online, in text messages, and even silently in your thoughts. Those words hold tremendous power. They have the ability to heal or to hurt, to build up or to tear down. The Bible clearly warns us about this in Ephesians, the 4th chapter, in verse 29. Paul said, "Let no corrupt word proceed out of your mouth, but what is good for necessary edification, that it may impart grace to the hearers." Now think for a moment about the conversations you've had in the past week. How many of those words were encouraging and uplifting? How many were critical, sarcastic, or perhaps even harmful? Our culture often encourages a careless approach to speech. Social media, in particular, makes it easy to throw around harsh comments without seeing the immediate pain that they cause. Yet every single word we speak or type has consequences. It affects not only those around us, but also our hearts and our minds. Proverbs 18:21 says, "Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who love it will eat its fruits." Our words can literally create or destroy opportunities, relationships, and even our own reputations. Have you ever noticed how someone who constantly complains or criticizes can create an atmosphere that's draining and negative? Conversely, a person who consistently encourages others and speaks kindly often finds themselves surrounded by positive relationships and opportunities. It's essential to realize that our words don't just affect others, they shape who we become. Jesus himself taught in Matthew 12 and verse 34, "For out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks." What we say reflects what's inside our hearts. If our hearts are filled with bitterness and anger and negativity, our words will inevitably reflect that. But if our hearts are filled with gratitude, compassion, and faith, our speech is naturally going to reflect kindness and encouragement. So how do we practically change the way we speak? First, slow down and think before you speak. Ask yourself these simple questions before letting words fly. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? If the answer is no to any of these, perhaps what you were thinking about saying is best left unsaid. Second, consciously practice speaking encouragement into the lives of others. Everyone around you, friends, family, coworkers, they can all benefit from a kind word. It might be a simple compliment or a sincere thank you or words of appreciation. You never know when a single uplifting comment might completely change someone's day or even their life. Third, watch your online words. Social media platforms can easily lure you into negative and heated exchanges. Before posting or responding online, consider whether your words honor Christ and build others up. Remember, just because you don't see the person face to face doesn't mean your words are any less impactful. Finally, fill your heart and mind with good things. Philippians 4:8 tells us, "Finally, brethren, whatever things are true, whatever things are noble, whatever things are just, whatever things are pure, whatever things are lovely, whatever things are of good report, if there be any virtue and if there is anything praiseworthy, meditate on these things." You see, by immersing yourself daily in Scripture and in prayer and in uplifting content, your heart will become a reservoir of positivity that will naturally spill over into your speech. Imagine the positive impact that you can have if every word you spoke today was aimed at encouraging someone, building them up, or reflecting God's love and God's grace. That choice could dramatically change your relationships, your reputation, and even your own self-image. This isn't just about changing speech habits. It's about transforming your entire life. Starting today, make a commitment to guard your words, to speak life, to speak hope, to speak kindness. And in doing so, you'll discover not only do you bless others, but you'll build your own life. It will become richer and fuller and more reflective of Christ himself. If this video has helped you in any way, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit notifications. God bless you in the coming week, and God bless your words. Make sure you speak good into the life of others. We'll see you again next week.